Hi, it's Paddy Hirsch at Marketplace. An exit strategy is a plan to get out of something. And in finance, that's usually a plan to get out of an investment of some kind. But it's not like a plan to get out of a burning building, right? Where you want to just escape with your life. In finance, you want to get out of an investment with as much money as possible, which means it's all about liquidity, the ability to be able to sell your investment and convert it into cash. To show you how this works, I want to introduce you to Shirley. Now, Shirley is an early stage investor, right? She's invested a big chunk of money in this startup, this early stage company called ABC Incorporated. Now, she regards her investments kind of like a maze with a number of possible exit points. And the first and best exit point for her is the IPO, the initial public offering. And this, of course, is where a company goes into the market and sells a large chunk of its shares to the public, hopefully at way, way more than what Shirley invested in, because then she's able to go into the market herself and sell those shares for lots and lots of money, so she walks away with a big bag of cash. But it can take a long time for a company to go public, and she may not have that kind of time. So the next best option for her is an acquisition. And this is where another company steps up and says that they want to buy all or some of ABC's shares. And they may offer cash for this, or they may offer some other kind of liquid security that Shirley can then sell into the market, in which case she walks away with a slightly smaller bag of cash. Now, anyone who's ever been stuck in a maze knows how easy it is to get lost in there. And if ABC gets stuck or gets lost, Shirley's in a bit of a problem because she's really only got one other exit option left, and that is the stock sale, right? She has to sell her stake in ABC. And that can be really hard to do because it can be very, very tough to find a market for startup securities, for startup shares. They're very, very illiquid. So if she does manage to sell some of those shares, the chances are she's going to end up with quite a small bag of cash. That's if she ends up with any money at all, because it's quite likely that ABC in this situation could just burn through all of its money and fold, effectively shutting off all of the exits and leaving Shirley and all of her other investor friends very badly needing a drink.